Come test drive this 2013 Hyundai Elantra. This two-door, five-passenger coupe still has less than 25,000 miles. Hyundai made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Hyundai paid particular attention to efficiency and practicality with the following features: a tachometer, heated seats, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.